Regularly, AK bullet, my missus, them send crossing. Tapa Tavana, SLR lift. Short pass, send cross it, tall, pen badly.
Welcome viewers and subs, welcome back to Dancehall Agenda. Here you get the latest news and reviews in dancehall. So if you haven't subscribed as yet, please go ahead and subscribe. Turn your post notification on so you guys can be the first to be notified whenever we do an upload. So viewers and sub, here upon the agenda we're going to talk about Skillibeng new song directed at Intense. And in that song your viewers and sub, we can hear Skillibeng got direct. Yeah man, he make some talk and we know it's Intense. Guess what now? We're going to give our opinion, we're going to give our full review upon the song, so make sure to stay tuned from the start to the finish, viewers and sub. We're going to highlight all of the points, all of the hard part of the song, and overall, we just going to review, explain what Skillibeng is saying at the song. So also, make sure to like the video. It's very important that you like the video, and it help with the YouTube algorithm. I get to me say, yeah man, stay tuned.
The pussy them no bad like me, not like me. Stop try fi avoid it. Mac 90 man rise in yam boy skin. Mount a shot in at the Glock. Extension cock off clip. Me no fight Karachi. When me pop off me bore up them face like Chapalin. East side bad I'm brawling. Me no power with jackass. Me my dog with shot boy quick.
So viewers and sub, in that song you can hear say Skillibeng jump out more vicious. You get to me I say, in that song I'm attack intense, wicked. But let me say this. Skillibeng, your drop a song is like you try sneak in one. You get to me, I say, I don't know. People say it's not the song we drop with you, it's not a reply. Me see it as a reply, you see it as a reply, but because of the way people them I say, yo, the song weak, you're throwing a song. You get to me, I say, but that song is a rebound. You get to me, I say, that song we can classify as a war song. So, in that song, Skillibeng I say, yo, him no fight Karachi. You get to me, I say, him no in the whole fist fighting. And knuckles are beat and kick out and all of them something. No, he making gun doing talking. Skillibeng say, yo, him been a try avoid Intense, but no, him a go stop avoid him. I'm go direct. That's why in that song, we can confirm it, say, yo, Skillibeng go direct. But we don't reach us yet, viewers and sub. Skillibeng also state in that part of the song, I say, yo, to him clip them long. He just cock off. But we see the image where Skillibeng a paint right there, so. You get to me, say, viewers and sub. So me feel like Skillibeng run out another song you're more attacking. You get to me, say. So we check out some more of the song.
We head top scotchy. Real killer manaki full of beta parties. East side strong and fit. Go round the Danada, dopey back butter flick. You mad? Not a rotted. The clip for your banana wall more than 40. Fire shot till a morning. Pussy off it top talking when the rifle talk kick.
So viewers and sub, Skillibeng say, yo, the East Side Monarchy full of peer top artists. A peer bad artists come from around there, so. Matter of fact, a peer bad man there around there, so anybody go around the order just know see them butter flick. Skillibeng also make Intense and say, yo brother, nobody feel like say we are go a war empty handed. Nobody feel like say we squeeze out 32 and the clip done when I have no more binds or shot left for fire. No. I pay a banana clip we have around us, and guess what now? We have ammunition. We can fire go right back till the morning, non-stop. And that Skillibeng make Intense now right I say. You get to me I say, Intense. Skillibeng I say, yo, him no inna the world for talking. Action him deal with.
Who bother me? Me murder your fast and the butcher where you assault big. Boy, you fi drop a spin. Rifle a clot, east side never shot a miss. Born hunted, shot in a yard pass ribs. Bother me, anywhere your ass clot lives. Send your marina the year, send your passport fridge. Gaddafi, 50 caliber clotted.
So viewers and sub in the video wanna see a female lift up something like a 50 cal. And them something there, Skillibeng say you him a fire at Intense. Yo, them something there every day, man. Them something there virtual, bulletproof glass, you know. For sure, yo. Them something they kick differently. Skillibeng say, yo, anytime I go for Intense, him a go slap him way quicker than when a butcher, a assault pig. Well, Skillibeng the line there. It can be interpreted in a lot of ways, you know. But please remember there's all kind of assault, a lot of different type of assault. So, the line there. Anyways, differently, Skillibeng come out and he must say a bag of things. He must make Intense know say, yo, him not inna the play war, him not inna the Karachi style. You get what me I say? A peer gun, banana clip and them rifle there. Them bring go a war. So a shootout him deal with. Matter of fact, him not for a shootout, cause one slap on your dead quicker than a man with a assault pig.
Eastside crap warring pop off is not ties with pop off with chat diving and try swim. Sit, amount of shot me like this bang, then you're not going live. Skin a peel and it's not orange. If you know what a collage is, as a shot mark him. Turn on the clock like a switch. Clap it bright cover well varnished, still boy head top split. If
Intense. The man I say, yo, if you're this bang, you're not going live. Skin a peel, but on a orange. So anytime him beat upon you, just know say, yo, you go chuck on a dive and a try a find place or water for swim, forget wet. The man say, yo, anytime him deal with you, you go come in like a collage. Piece up. You get to me, I say, foot over this, hand over this, head over this. And that skilly bang as a writer say, him say, yo, the thing when pop off, when up on inside, no matter feel like a tie. Cause anytime the Glock destroy your lights out.
If 15 well ranchy, head bust like zesty, cock the minute take well sassy. East side that we say badness. We know we a town referee if we go kick penalty. How we murder boy regularly. AK bullet my message them send crossing. Tap a tavern I SLR lift. Shot pass send cross it tall pen badness.
So viewers and sub, right just saying the song, we hear Skilly Bang I go direct. The man say, yo, him a go pull up a tavern and him a go pop off it. We all know say, yo, tavern a intense place. You get what me I say? So when him talk about tavern, we don't know no other artists come from tavern. Matter of fact, yeah, artists come from tavern, but a intense are the main face. You get what me I say? And a intense, him a go at, right in that song, yeah, intense, in the lyrical confrontation with him at this point. So it only fit in to say, yo, him a go direct at intense writers, so viewers and sub. You get what me I say? So finally we hear something with direct from one of the artists. So we just know have to wait to see if intense I go roll out with something differently. You get what me I say? But differently viewers and sub, me feel like it was, the song is a okay song. It's not a song where me I say, yo, no sir, intense face get kick off wicked, no. And this is just me sharing my opinion. You get what me I say? You probably have a different opinion for yourself. You get what me I say? Yeah man. So everybody is entitled for them own opinion. And you can leave that in the comment section. But mine is, me feel like it's a okay song, it's a good song. Better than the last song with Jap. You get what me I say? And the Maria Fox and Jap a music video with that one, yeah. I like it. You get what me I say? I like say the artists them I roll out with music video. But differently skilly. Me feel like say yo, you just a try rhyme in the song. It just sound like rhymey. Matter of fact, it just sound like a one ending your rhyme to in the song. You get what me I say? And it's like each sentence having a gun line, gun this, gun that. You get what me I say? It just sound when we listen to the second verse, it just sound like the first verse. You get what me I say? Except for you add in the tavern and rate. You get what me I say? But differently, hopefully, in the next round, the artists them can go hard and Skilly Bang hopefully them can give you some more rhythm. We're attacking, we're punchy. Cause in the previous song, and that song, yeah, the rhythm them just sound laid back. Which cause you to be more laid back on the rhythm. You know, come out attacking. You get what I say? Anyways, that's just my opinion on this whole song itself. You get what I say, viewers and sub? But no found to have a whole different point of view. You get what I mean? You probably see it different, you probably hear it different. You get what I say? But what we want to do is leave your thoughts and opinion in the comment section. We want to think about that song from Skilly Bang. You feel like him redeem himself from the previous song. Leave your thoughts and opinion down in the comment section more. You want to think. And with that song, I feel like Skilly Bang take over the lead with that song. And I feel like Intense Cornelia that's still the baddest song so far among the two between the two artists. Yeah man, leave your thoughts and opinion down in the comment section. I get what I say. Remember, if you're new to this channel, please go ahead and like. It's very important that you like the video. Subscribe, turn your post notification on so you guys can be the first to be notified whenever we do an upload. You get what I say. And always remember to share the video across every platform so everybody can see the video. And we'll be covering the whole clash. So make sure to stay tuned You get what me I say? As the song them drop, we drop a video, I explain it all. I give our opinion on it. So make sure you not turn on a post notification and so the guys can be notified. I get what me I say? Yeah man, nobody can be the first to be comment, to leave a comment down in the comment section. So your comment can be recognized. You get what me I say? Yeah man, I'm out.